I'm Joel Ross, and welcome. If you're seeing this, you're catching me a little bit after the beginning of this project. This is a 1964 Yellowstone travel trailer, and yes, I've already started bringing it back to life. When I found this trailer, I saw more than just an old camper. I saw an incredible piece of American design from the mid-century that deserved another chance. I'm really not interested in building modern RVs. My goal is to preserve the character and craftsmanship that made these vintage trailers so special, while making them beautiful and practical for today's owners. Some of the work has already begun before I decided to document it, so I won't be able to show you every first step. But from this point forward, I'm taking you along for the ride. We'll cover everything: the design decisions, the restoration techniques, the mistakes, the victories, and hopefully the finished product. My background has always been in creative work, renovation, and design. And I think these vintage trailers deserve more than just restoration. They deserve to become rolling pieces of mid-century Americana. My hope is that this won't be the only one. If these videos inspire people and this project turns out the way I think it will, I'd love to begin restoring vintage trailers for other people who want something truly unique. So whether you already own a vintage trailer, you're thinking about buying one, or you simply enjoyed the process of seeing one come together, I hope you'll come along for the ride. If you'd like to follow the project, subscribe, leave a message, let me know what you'd like to see. This is just the beginning. I'm Joel Ross, and let's bring this Yellowstone back to life.